Did you know that mold is one of the biggest threats to your home? It's more than just an unsightly nuisance. It's a silent threat that can damage your health and the structure of your property. That's why it's crucial to understand the importance of proper mold abatement. At FDP Mold Remediation, we specialize in providing expert services to help you eliminate mold and restore your home to a safe and healthy environment. With years of experience, our highly trained technicians have the expertise to tackle even the toughest mold problems. Our process starts with a thorough inspection. We assess the extent of the mold infestation and identify the root cause, which is often hidden behind walls or in damp areas of your home. This step is crucial to ensure effective mold removal. Once we have a comprehensive understanding of the mold issue, we develop a customized plan to eradicate the problem. Our team uses state-of-the-art equipment and environmentally friendly products to safely remove mold and prevent its return. But our job doesn't stop there. We take great care in ensuring that the affected areas are thoroughly cleaned and restored, protecting your property from the risk of further damage. You can trust FDP Mold Remediation to handle your mold problem with professionalism and expertise. Don't let mold become a silent threat in your home. Contact FDP Mold Remediation at 877-421-2614 today and let us unveil the importance of proper mold abatement for you and your loved ones.